I'm really happy and privileged to talk to this very specific audience. 90 people are already online, and equal number of people are likely to join in another 10 minutes time. Well, the number is not very important, but as I understand, the quality of the people in this congregation, in this group, is really amazing. We are literally having people from all states of the country, from all ethnic backgrounds, from all cultures, and really, it is a wonderful gathering. All of us are very well qualified, PhDs, doctors, engineers, and so on. Many of you are deans and directors of the institutes. So it's really a privilege for me to share on this day with you. So like any research topic, we would go in this way. I would like to have a little bird's eye view on literature review. First we will have. In literature review, I will cover some of the important modalities that I have been introduced to in all these years. The objective behind introducing these modalities is giving you a bird's eye view and introduction to different techniques that can be employed for a peaceful life, for stress relief, for joy in life, for increasing creativity in life, and so on. Just last year, I was in US. Fortunately, All India Council of Technical Education had nominated me in an academic delegation to visit about 10 different universities in the East Coast of America. At that time, we had an honor of meeting with the executives of those universities, the deans and authorities. When I had a personal discussion with them, I could see very clearly a great deal of respect in the eyes of people in US for India, for Bharat. अपने देश की कल्चर, संस्कृति और हेरिटेज जो रहा है, अपने देश का जो एक स्ट्रॉन्ग इथनिक कल्चरल स्पिरिचुअल हेरिटेज रहा है, उससे पूरे विश्व को उम्मीद है. उससे पूरा विश्व देख रहा है एक उम्मीद भरी नजर से कि something can come out from Bharat. Thanks to the Prime Minister, his efforts, and all of you, the elevated souls who are responsible for this. Why I referred that? All the places they said कि भारत की तरफ हम एक बहुत सम्मान और आशा की दृष्टि से देख रहे हैं. When we had a briefing stay session with the Indian Consul General in US, Mr. Chakravarti, he very clearly said कि आप लोग engineering colleges से आए हो, you have brought proposals for collaboration in the areas of engineering. I suggest you, why don't you bring proposals for collaboration on yoga, on meditation, and so on? Because there is a lot of demand in US. They are thirsty for that jnana, that knowledge. And fortunately, the delegation was led by Dr. Rajiv Kumar sir, who is the presently member secretary of AICT, and Professor Malkhede sir, who was the advisor, and presently also he is advisor. So Professor Malkhede, he asked me to stand and present my proposal, and my proposal was to have a collaboration for teaching of yoga and meditation with the universities. Yes, that is how I came to this topic. So we would spend 20 minutes, just 20 minutes, to have a bird's eye view of different techniques, different available modalities, most of them in India and few from abroad, which I have got a blessing to very deeply get connected to. If it is okay with you, please type 1 in your chat box. If you wish to say something, please write something. I will wait for a minute's time to hear back from you. Richa says 1, Abhishek 1, Pooja is 1, Aditya. Yes, thank you very much. So I proceed, and after this 20 minutes, I would request you all to say a single line expressing what is it that we are looking at from this session. Let us start from my very first mentor of my childhood days. Thank you very much. I got your message. Almost Amit Singhal, everybody is saying yes. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. When I was a child of 13 years old, I got initiated to my master who became my real spirit guide, Osho. All of you must have heard of Osho, Rajneesh, Bhagwan Sri Rajneesh. At the age of 13 years, I got initiated to him by him as my guru, who remains my guru, and I could see that he has been my guru for several lives. Well, so Osho is something which is an apex of consciousness and a boon to humanity. He became a master who brought the Indian treatise of yoga, spiritual powers, all the way to the roads, to the common man, to the rickshaw puller. Before Osho's presentation, all these techniques were taught in one-to-one in closed ashrams. But Osho brought it to common people. Until now, he is treated as the master of masters. All the present day masters, I am fortunate to have personal dialogue with many of them. Sri Ravi Shankar ji, Shivanand ji, Jaki Vasudev Sadhguru ji. I had a fortune to talk to them in person, and everybody says that Osho, hats off to him, he has given us a lot. So I recommend you to study, because he is the one who keeps life and spirituality totally scientific. No dogma, no need to follow any binding. He keeps it totally open. He says, as you are most welcome to me. And he does not impose anything on you. So far as the intellect is concerned, it's unchallengeable. Any one of you has gone through Osho's literature? Please write yes. Wonderful. Wonderful. Many. Right. So that is the first sharing. When Osho became bodiless in 1991, I was studying in Kharagpur IIT, and at that time, I got a message that Osho has left the body. So those were the days when I was just hanging in void, and I started exploring alternatives around, and those were the days when I came to the Indian yogic literature, to the Vedanta, to the scriptures, and many more living masters. So in the literature survey, I come to Sri Ravi Shankar Guruji. All of you know what is the name of his organization. Please type. Art of Living. Yes, Nandan, that's true. Art of Living is really a platform for learning the art of living. Yes, the internal living, external living, dealing with people, the patriotism, productivity, group energy, wonderful, amazing environment. That is the place where you can have a glimpse of your inner source just in a matter of 3 days' time or 5 days' time if it's part-time, in their first course, where they teach you a wonderful pranayam prakriya. What is that called? Yes, Sudarshan Kriya. That Sudarshan Kriya and a group energy where all of us enjoy, dance, celebrate, and get connected to a higher dimension of our being is something you must explore. I am fortunate that I got the learning of advanced course, Divya Samaj Nirman, teachers training program, and one fine day when Guruji was here in Bhopal, he offered me that you become a teacher and start teaching this art. Next we come to Sadhguru. What is the name of his organization? Monica writes, Sudarshan Kriya. Isha, Abhishek, thank you.
ISHA, yes.
Isha, Abhishek says it is Isha Yoga. Sadguru Jaggi Vasudev, a wonderful divine soul, and doing a wonderful service to humanity internationally. I was amazed. One, about 4 years back, in good, you must have read it in news that NGT, National Green Tribunal, has filed a suit against him. What for? They said that you have polluted Ganga because you had conducted a program there. I was fortunate to be a part of that congregation where 10,000 musicians, they played together in a harmony, in an orchestra, which really gave you a melody of divine sound. All of you must have heard music, classical music, Western music, jazz. They are the different dimensions. But here, this program, which was led by Chitra Sen, it was really something which is, thank you, Manoj. It was pollution of Yamuna. Yes, not Ganga. I love Ganga more, so probably I invoked Ganga. The moment you remember and you invoke these sacred words, you get a thrill, you get a divine power. Thank you very much. It was Yamuna. So, Jaggi Vasudeva is creating a wonderful impact, and yes, he teaches you a specific kriya of pranayam. What is it called? Anybody can share with me. In his basic course, he teaches one particular technique, which is a wonderful way of empowering your whole body, mind, and soul. I keep it to you. Worth doing. In the basic course, he teaches that. I was fortunate to go to the advanced courses. If you remember a couple of years back, about 3 years back, when it was Mahashivratri, at that time, whole night, Jaggi Vasudeva Guruji, Sadguru, he dances, plays, and that time around 3 lakh people were there in that great gathering. And guess me who was the chief guest of that program? Yes, Aditya, you are right. Prime Minister Narendra Modi was the chief guest. I am fortunate that I was sitting in those 3 lakh people. Yes, that's true. And it's that process, I think nobody has responded. It's called Shambhavi Mahamudra. The process is called Shambhavi Mahamudra. Yes, I was talking about Shambhavi Mahamudra. Yeah, Sajal, thank you. Sir, yours is echo. I know. And now we have corrected it. Hopefully it will cooperate now. Shambhavi Mahamudra is a wonderful technique which teaches you the way to empower yourself. And just like Sri Guruji, here also you find lot of recreation, creativity, commitment, social work. He came to Bhopal a couple of years back for that river project for regaining the water. And that time, I'm sure he must have come to your city also. Anybody is aware? Sadguru had a big visit all over the country for regaining river. Anybody was there in your city? Did you see any one of you? Pooja Sharma, yes. Which city, Pooja? Richa says he came to Patna also, yes. So he is doing wonderful work. Ravi Mohan says yes. Sadguru is doing a wonderful work, and again, what I appreciate especially is he is also very, very creative. He creates love vibe and a group energy, harmony amongst his followers. A wonderful energy. I was really touched with this energy. Why? Because in the traditional spiritual lineage, in the Vedic culture, we have lost that particular creativity somewhere. It has become very serious, unfortunately. When you look at Krishna is said to be put. See, I'm not here to justify or say anything about any specific religion. I am here sharing with you different views. Krishna is said to be having creativity. So in Indian culture also, creativity and ras and dance was a part, but these days of late, somewhere we have lost it, it seems. So Sadhguru is also someone who has rejuvenated that creativity in us. So definitely that is worth exploring. These two options are really for those who have scientific temperament, who are working with family life like me and you, who are having children, who are having responsibility, and we are working with that. These two options are immensely good. Of course, the first option I said, Osho, is equally good because Osho is very much pro-life. In fact, he is the Adi Guru, which brought that culture of life positivity, life affirmation in our culture. So Osho, Sri Sri, and Sadhguru. Yes, Kalyani says, I belong to Coimbatore. Isha is Nestle in the Velingari Hills near Coimbatore. Yes, Kalyani, I was there. I have been there a couple of times. And I tell you, the first visit that we did there, Kalyani will agree with me. I would like Kalyani to say something on start her mic. When we had our first visit, my spouse, Dr. Meena Agrawal, is working in Maulana Azad National Institute of Technology as faculty, and they offer us LTC. So it's a great privilege. We went to South India tour, and during that tour, we all the four were there. We two, our two children, beautiful children, Tanmay and Chinmay, and all of us, we had a wonderful tour, Kanyakumari and Uti and Mahabaleshwar, Mahabalipuram. And when we came back and we had a discussion, सबसे अच्छा क्या लगा? So it touched my heart. My baby Chinmay, who is in 12th class and today he is preparing for JEE exam, he is having his advanced JEE on 27th. Otherwise, he would have been right here by the side of me. Chinmay said, Papa, sabse acha laga Sadhguru ka ashram. That is the beauty of this place. Velangiri Hills ke Talhati mein wo hai. Amazing, amazing energy. And I tell you, Sadhguru is a master of tantric empowerment. He knows how to make a stone statue converted into a god idol by implanting energy touch into it. Yes. So he has created there some ponds which are just like nectar water. अमृत का जल है वहां, एकदम क्रिस्टल क्लियर, मिनरल वाटर से भी क्लियर, और ऊंचाई से गिरता है और एक लेक सा बना हुआ है, और उसमें उन्होंने एक ऊर्जा के 3 एम्पलीफायर्स लगा रखे हैं which are made of crystals and which embodies all the divine knowledge of ancient sages of southern India, Sri Yantra, Shivalingam, and so on, and waterfalls, and you are taking a shower in that water pond where there are those Shivlinga. Now, don't get confused with any religious ideology. It is a technique of empowering a stone into a living entity which amplifies energy. He has done it wonderfully. You must go. I would like Kalyani to switch off her mic and say something about his ashram, please.
जी मैंने sorry, I'm not very adept in Hindi, but I will try.
I think we can speak English also. All of you are here. Yes, thank you, Kalyani.
Right. I have visited the ashram many times. In fact, my cousin is one of the inmates. What is really amazing is their Shivratri festival. I think you should come and yes.
I just now shared with you. I was there whole night. Thereafter, I never visited, but on it telecasted on television, and every Shivratri, my whole family, my entire Sangha, they call that Sangha, that group as Chaitanya Sangha. We sit together, dance, enjoy, celebrate with Sadhguru, and all of you. Maybe Kalyani is sitting in that particular congregation. Thank you. Yes, please continue.
Yes. What amazes, even you don't need to be spiritual or even religious. Even if you're outside that, what amazes you is the kind of discipline that they have. I mean, to manage such huge crowds and without even, a single problem of overcrowding. I mean, multitudes come there every day, not just during Shivratri, but multitudes. So you need not be a follower or need not be a disciple, but the very aspect of how this discipline is inculcated.
Yes, Kalyani, you are right. You are right. Perfectly. Thank you, Kalyani. And they are having specific techniques. I would like to share with you. Many of you must have heard कि पुराने लोग कुछ ऐसा करते थे, कुछ मंत्र होते थे, कुछ टूल्स होते थे, उसका यूज करके घर की एनर्जी को एम्पलीफाई कर देते थे. Yes, there Sadhguru is having lot of jnana, knowledge in those modalities. He has got that particular connection कि एक stone, just like this is a stone here. This is a crystal stone. Now this is a paperweight. This has less memory retention so far as the energy is concerned. So better used medium is something like this, a crystal. It has more memory retention. It is very scientific. I can speak and share with you the whole day on how it works scientifically. I have done a lot of research on that. So this stone, because what is this material, crystal? This is SiO2, silicon dioxide. And as you all know, computer chips are made from, what is the base material for semiconductors? Silicon, yes. Or germanium, a semiconductor. It is this. The memory of computers is built with this particular item, just like, and it has that power of, if you give an intention to it, you should know how to do it. But if you say, I am giving love to this crystal, and you really empower that feeling, your feelings are alive because you are alive. And this stone catches that feeling. One day, when you are having a little energy, just take this stone in your hand and you would feel that love returning and responding to you, empowering you. This is a whole lot of science. And Sadhguru is one master of this science as well. Though he doesn't proclaim it, he doesn't announce it a lot. So these three masters, they are wonderful so far as your regular life, हमारी जो सांसारिक जीवन है उसके साथ अपने आप को शक्ति को बढ़ाना, उसके लिए ये तीनों मास्टर्स वंडरफुल है. If you want to come to real healing, real energy channeling, अब क्या है कि we are alive. If you agree with me, give me one. If you agree with me that we are alive, yes, Monica, yes, Pooja, yes, we are alive. Let us thank the universe. हम लोग कभी इस यूनिवर्स का धन्यवाद नहीं करते हैं. आज I would like, it might look a weird to you, लेकिन अपने आप को कनेक्ट कर लीजिए उस कॉस्मिक यूनिवर्स से. There is no need, there is actually no need कि आप किसी भगवान का, किसी अल्लाह का, किसी गॉड का बीच में लाए. Connect to this cosmic entity and say, I thank you, God and universe. Say it. Can you do it for me, please? It might look weird to you. Just say, just touch your hands together. This forms a mudra. It makes your life complete. Your inner half, left and right brain, they start communicating through the hypothalamus when you have this mudra. So if you can do it for me, I can see only one of you, two of you are joining hands. Some of you are thinking what this Thomas has joined now. Thank you. Abhishek is thinking that what is this weird Dr. Agrawal is saying. Alka, thank you. Yes. Connect to this cosmos, this source of energy to which we are connected. And just feel, now just open your hands and just touch your hairs and say, I love my hairs. Can you do that, please? Can you do that, please? Richa is just smiling. He is saying, sir, आपके बाल तो है ही नहीं है और आप बोल रहे हो, I love my hairs. अरे हमारे भी हुआ करते थे बेटा. अभी नहीं है तो क्या हुआ? चलो कोई बात नहीं. That's good. That's good. Yes, Mohan is my very good friend. He is friend with me. He also doesn't have hairs like me. Thank you, Mohan. So just say, I love myself. I love my hairs. I love my hairs. And feel that touch of love. You are a son or a daughter of this entire cosmos, this universe. So enjoy that privilege of being a baby of this cosmic energy. And say, I am thankful to you, my mother, my father, God, universe. I thank you. And say, and just feel that you are connected. See, whether you know or not, you are connected to that divine source of energy 24/7. Whether you know or not, whether you believe or not, really doesn't make any difference. really doesn't make any difference. You are connected to that cosmic power and you are receiving that energy from your entire body. It's a transducer, it's a sensor which is receiving as well as responding back to that infinite cosmic energy. So feel that touch. Again, touch your hairs, your ears. Say, I love my ears. I love my eyes. Yes, I love my forehead. And feel that touch of love, motherly love for yourself. Say, I love my neck. Touch your neck. I love my shoulders. I love my hands. I love my chest. I love my stomach. I love my genitals. I love my legs. Yes, I love myself. I love myself. Give a clap to yourself. Give your high five. Yes, I love you. I love you. I love you. I love myself. Say it. Take your beautiful name. I can say, Chaitanya, I love you. Chaitanya, I love you. You take your beautiful name and say, Chaitanya, I love you. I am saying, you say you are with your beautiful name. Yes, thank you. Though it looks weird, but those of you who felt it was weird now will realize, yes, I am feeling a joy here. I am feeling as if I am touched, I am embraced, I am hugged by this cosmic mother. Feel that energy, that touch. You may close your eyes for a couple of moments and feel that divine, loving, unconditionally loving touch of the cosmic mother to your own self. महसूस करें, फील करें कि आप के भीतर ये प्रेम अस्तित्व का प्रवाहित हो रहा है. It's flowing with your blood. It's flowing and amplifying with your breathing. It's flowing and amplifying with your vision. And it's formulating an entire auric energy field around you. It's formulating an auric energy field around you, just like a magnet has a magnetic field around it. You may open your eyes. Thank you very much. Just as a magnet is there and the magnet has a magnetic field, similarly, we living beings definitely have an auric energy field. Yes, we have that auric energy field. Our sages down the line, centuries back, mentioned it. And at that time, we, the so-called scientific community, said that it is not correct. It is something which is a belief. But today, the science endorses it. There are gadgets and tools which can take your photo of your aura. Anybody aware of any technique like this? I can see Dr. Mani has given a wonderful message. Myself with family had been at Isha Foundation Coimbatore once. Thank you, Mani. Yes. Anybody knowing any technique which can take the photograph of aura? Right. Richa, what is the technique you have heard of?
I can.
Can you type it?
I will explain it if you permit.
No, explain sometime later. When we have some guest faculty.
Okay, I will type it.
See, Richa,
Okay, I'll type it.
we are together for a week's time. Sometimes when there is a break, some guest faculty is not able to come. At that time, we all will get a chance to share for 10 minutes. Is it okay? Give me a yes. Give me a yes. Type me a yes there. The moment you write yes or one, I get energy from you guys. Yes. So if there is some faculty, some class is off, Monica, thank you. Some class is off, we will have the sharing and Richa will be the first to present. Anybody knows of that technique which can take a photograph of aura? Very scientific technique. I have that camera. I think there is one person who is having that camera. Mr. Shyam is here in the group. If Mr. Shyam is here in the group, he is having one camera and he has done lot of experimentation. Mr. Shyam, you are there. Shyam, can you switch on your mic and tell us about that technique? Yes. श्याम जी अपना माइक शुरू करिए और बताइए हमको किर्लियन फोटोग्राफी के बारे में. I have seen him. That is called Kirlian photography. Anybody heard of it? No. Shyam, can you switch on your mic, please? दिख तो रहे हैं श्याम भैया, लेकिन माइक शुरू नहीं हो पा रहा उनका. कोई बात नहीं, some other time. By mistake he has left the meeting. He is the one who, like me, I am also having one camera and he's having one camera, so we interact together. Sorry. ये किर्लियन फोटोग्राफी का जो कैमरा होता है, इससे आपके ऑरा की फोटो आती है, जैसे एक्सरे से आपके हड्डियों की आती है, किर्लियन कैमरे से ऑरा की आती है. एन इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग इज दैट फोटो कैन बी एनालाइज्ड टू टेल अबाउट योर हेल्थ. If you have any problem in heart, that photo can tell you that you are having some problem. Thank you, ma'am. Sunita ma'am is so nice. She told me you have a glass of sip of water. तो वो जो कैमरा होता है किर्लियन फोटोग्राफी का, that camera can take a photo and it can be analyzed that this person is going to have some ailment in the heart. Going to have भी वो पकड़ता है. Not only if somebody is having blockage, I'm sorry. Not only if somebody is having blockage, but also if somebody is likely to have some problem in future, that also can be predicted by this Kirlian photography camera. This is a technique. Yes. Right. Monica says, if you have that camera, so can you take my photo? Definitely yes. Definitely yes. Whenever there is some class free, or in the evening or in the morning time, we are together till 11th. So you have that right to ask my services for all these times, at least till 11th, I promise you. उसके बाद पता नहीं मैं कहाँ आप कहाँ. But till that, definitely I can give you the analysis, or Mr. Sham, who is my very good friend, he would also be with me, and both of us would do that for you. For Monica, definitely yes. So I was talking of these techniques which appear to be somewhere in air, somewhere they appear to be illogical to the logical mind. But I tell you, there is a science beyond science. There is a science beyond science. Is there anybody in this group of 91 people who has heard this phrase, science beyond science? Who is the Indian master guru who has used this phrase in United States of America in a very popular program? Quiz for you. Sandeep says, who is the Indian master, a great Indian master, a great Indian guru, whom I want to give tribute now, and I want you to be introduced to him, who has used this phrase, science beyond science, and presented his healing program in America, where there were 10 certified FRCS doctors who were present there, who had all medical analysis of the patients before and after the healing session done. Anybody who knows? Monica, yes. Dr. Shivananda, yes. Shyam Bhai, Shivananda. Pooja Sharma says Swami Shivananda. Yes. Hats off. Alok, is my camera off because I'm not being seen there? Please check.
Sir, but we are able to see you.
Achha, right. Thank you. Why this is getting off? Right? Thank you, Sunita ma. So you are right. Most of you answered. Himanshu also said Shivananda. Any one of you can just in a sentence or two introduce to our elite gathering about Shivananda Guruji. Any one of you. You can take the privilege of starting your mic. Nina ma, you want to say something? Nina ma, please introduce yourself and tell us about us. Introduce yourself first.
My name is Nina Khanna and I'm a spiritual healer. I learned Reiki from Dr. Chaitanya Agarwal.
Thank you very much, Nina ma. When did you learn from him? From me?
From you.
When did you learn it?
It's 16 years ago.
Where?
In Africa.
Africa. What was your experience with that Reiki energy healing?
That was wonderful. I don't have any words to say, and the result is that today I am a a professional teacher. I'm teaching in Delhi, Gurgaon, and in Australia also.
Presently, where are you, ma'am?
Sorry, I'm in Melbourne right now.
Okay, wonderful. Thank you very much. I think you had come to me for a healing session 16 years back in Africa. What was that
Yes,
ailment for which you had come to me?
I had some migraine problem, and
Okay.
I was getting very nervous of few things.
Yes.
So I came for that, and then I started learning Reiki from you,
And
and I took it
how many days that migraine vanished from your being?
just in 2 days.
Yes, my dear friend, what she says is true. She got her migraine lost forever. For 16 years back, she lost it because it never belonged to him. And today, she is not only healthy, but she is teaching. She has a big following in Gurgaon. At least 10,000 guys are after her. She has an institution that is called Ao Sankalp Lay. You can visit the website. And she's doing a lot of seva work with millions of rupees, at least, if not dollars, being spent for the underprivileged and even for those who are privileged but have some issues to be healed. So, नीना जी, आप मुझे बता रहे थे शिवानंद जी के बारे में, हम सबको इंट्रोड्यूस कराइए, आपका परिचय कैसे हुआ उनसे और वो क्या सिखाते हैं?
वो हीलिंग करवाते हैं, और अभी आपने जैसे कहा कि यूएस में उन्होंने जो डॉक्टर्स के साथ एक एक्सपेरिमेंट किया था, वो सबसे पहले उन्होंने ही किया था. सो मैंने उनके साथ कई हीलिंग सेशन किए, शांभवी वगैरह उनसे ही सीखी, एंड बहुत अच्छे रिजल्ट्स हैं उसके. आप तुरंत बैठे हुए किसी को हील कर सकते हैं, जो कि हम रेकी के साथ भी कर सकते हैं, पर उनके एक्सपेरिमेंट मुझे बहुत ही अच्छे लगे और मैं आज तक उनको भी फॉलो कर रही हूँ.
Thank you, Neena ji. She's just like my elder sister.
Thank you so much.
My elder sister.
आपको बहुत बहुत नमन प्रणाम.
That is her greatness कि वो आज भी मुझे सम्मान करती है और मुझे गुरुदेव कहती है.
Thank you.
और
आप
कोई जब
गुरु
मुझे
हैं मेरे.
और कोई जब मुझे कहता है तो उतनी खुशी नहीं होती, लेकिन नीना जी जब मुझे गुरुदेव कहती है तो मुझे बहुत खुशी होती है. इसके पीछे एक बहुत ही गहरा कारण है, हम दोनों उसको जानते हैं, और वो कारण क्या है मैं आपको 2 मिनट के बाद बताऊंगा, जब मैं उस विद्या से संबंधित एक मास्टर को आपसे इंट्रोड्यूस कराऊंगा. ओके, अभी हम बात कर रहे थे शिवानंद जी के बारे में. Anybody can tell me what is the name of his cult, his group, what it is called? शिवानंद जी का जो ग्रुप है उसको वेबसाइट का URL नाम क्या है, या उस ग्रुप को क्या कहते हैं? शिवानंदा, एंशंट हीलिंग का मास्टर, पूरे विश्व में मेरी नजर में आज वो सर्वोत्तम मास्टर है हीलिंग एनर्जी का. और नीना जी ने अभी कहा, दीदी ने अभी ये कहा कि वो रेकी की तरह ही है. इनफैक्ट रेकी और वो एक ही बात है. उन्होंने उसको नाम दिया है संजीवनी विद्या या शांभवी विद्या. और डॉक्टर मिकाओ उसई जो है जापान के, चूंकि वो जापानी थे, उन्होंने उसको नाम दिया है रेकी विद्या. रेकी in Japanese, re means universal and ki means what? Anybody can tell me? No response. Ki means energy, divine energy. Universal energy, divine energy is called Reiki. So Reiki, angry nahi. What is it? Himanshu says angry. Energy, you said energy. Sorry, it is a typo mistake. Yes. Divine, yes. Richa, that's true. Richa is one of our students who studied in my university, and she did her MCA, and then she is now doing her PhD, and she has always been a very responsive student all throughout her life. Sometimes we say, Richa, बहुत हो गया, अब शांत बैठो. She says, still I am. Yes, you are. So that's wonderful. Himanshu, you are right. It was a typing error. I could understand it. So anybody can tell me what is the name of Shivananda's group? Come on. क्या है उनके ग्रुप का नाम? I will give you a hint. योग है. योग के पहले क्या है? Come on, guys.
Shiv Yog.
Yes, that's right. Pooja is right. Shiv Yog. Parivar. Shyam is right. Shiv Yog. Nina Ma is of course right. Shiv Yog. You can Google or just type on URL shivyog.com. Himanshu, you are right. This is really very learned and elevated souls group. Shiva group. It's called Shiv Yog group, in fact. Or I will like to tell you, Shivananda is such a great master. He has evolved the hidden techniques from Indian scriptures and researched and brought it for the humanity in a beautiful, most loving manner, most effective manner. And he's someone who can ask you fees also. It's not free. You have to pay for it. He came to a couple of times in Bhopal. In fact, I was also instrumental in inviting him sometimes. And we had arranged a program where there were 5,000 participants. Everybody had paid 10,000 rupees minimum. And the maximum paid was 1 lakh rupees. You can imagine the amount of money he has collected in those 10 days program. But that was the return of investment was enormously high. Everybody felt कि 10,000 दिए लेकिन 1 करोड़ का खजाना मुझे मिला है. I recommend you. He is still alive. Sorry, I mean to say that he is alive, active in serving you all. So far, all the masters which whom I talked about, they are all in their body, mind, soul today. So Shivananda is there. Himanshu, you can say something about it. You are expressing. Please switch on your mic. Meditation programs. You are right, Himanshu. Can you switch on? हिमांशु जी माइक के साथ साथ कैमरा भी शुरू कर देते तो आपका इतना प्यारा चेहरा हम सब लोग देख पाते. That's wonderful. Go ahead, Himanshu. Dr. Himanshu. We can't hear you, Himanshu. Your mic is off. चलो फिर कभी. Himanshu, it seems he is sitting in his office chair and has a wonderful background, and definitely he has taken a bath today. I am assuming those who are having their cameras off didn't shower for last 3 days. It's your choice, my dear friends. Oh, one camera started. This beautiful lady, Pooja Sharma. Yes. Vinod, नहाए धोए लग रहे हो भाई साहब. काहे चिंता कर रहे हो? What is this beautiful face? Okay, Sheetal, wonderful. Yes, also smiling and radiant faces. They add life to this group. Kalyani is of course wonderful. Sadhguru's salute to Kalyani, because when I give a salute to Kalyani, she is sitting right at the source, Coimbatore, where ashram is there. So my feelings are reached. Sanjay Dwivedi ji, from which place you are? माइक शुरू नहीं हुआ आपका.
Yes, from CD, sir.
Which place, sir?
From CD, sir. CD.
My state, मध्य प्रदेश. Wonderful. बोलिए आपको कैसा लग रहा है अभी हम बात कर रहे तो?
बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है सर. बहुत अच्छा.
Wonderful.
Thank you, sir.
Nice speech. तो हम लोग बात कर रहे थे शिवानंद जी के बारे में. He is really wonderful. Himanshu is saying कि उनका कुछ टेक्निकल इशू है. कोई बात नहीं हिमांशु, हम लोग 4 दिन और साथ में हैं. आपका सेकंड नंबर रहेगा अगले प्रेजेंटेशन में. रिचा ने फर्स्ट मारा है, सेकंड नंबर रहेगा. I would like to tell you about Shivananda. He has a wonderful group. ऑनलाइन टीचिंग उनकी चलती है और वो एंशंट हीलिंग टेक्निक जो रेकी की मैं बात कर रहा था या नीना जी दीदी बोल रहे थे, उस टेक्निक का नया करंट, न्यू वर्जन ऑफ दैट टेक्निक which is called Sanjeevani or Shambhavi and different such methods. He teaches that and it's very effective. Definitely you can try, you can work with him online or offline. My hats off to that Indian son, भारत माँ का एक बहुत प्यारा बेटा जो सदगुरु के रूप में, गुरु के रूप में आज पूरे विश्व को हमारी पहचान दे रहा है. और जो नीना दीदी ने कहा था कि उन्होंने अमेरिका में एक प्रोग्राम किया था जिसका टाइटल था साइंस बियॉन्ड साइंस. उस प्रोग्राम में उन्होंने क्या किया, आप अपने कान खोलकर सुनिए और मेरे टॉक के बाद गूगल करिए. आपको एविडेंस दिखेंगे हजारों लोगों के जिनका मेडिकल टेस्ट लिया गया बिफोर द सेशन, उनका ईसीजी, सोनोग्राफी और सब टेस्ट लिए 1000 लोगों के। किसने लिए? हमारे किसी प्रायोजिक संस्था ने नहीं, वर्ल्ड की रिनाउंड लैब्स ने, MIT जैसे इंस्टीट्यूट्स थे, FRCS डॉक्टर्स की टीम थी जिन्होंने वो सारे रिकॉर्ड किए सिम्टम्स और पैरामीटर्स, और शिवानंदा गुरुजी ने मास में सबको हीलिंग दी। He sits like this. He is a wonderful, a strong man. Anybody has seen his personality? दुबले है कि मोटे है? Anybody can write me. What is the color of clothes he wears?
Orange.
What is the color of his clothes? What is how it looks? दुबले पतले है या अच्छे है?
मोटे हैं, मोटे हैं।
खूब मोटे हैं। रेड कलर के कपड़े पहनते हैं। कल्याणी सेज राइट, मोटे हैं और कलर जो उनका ऑलमोस्ट रेड होता है। तो वो बैठ गए वहां पे और 10,000 लोगों की गैदरिंग को उन्होंने ऐसे हाथ किए। एंड ही हैज अ स्पेसिफिक मुद्रा व्हिच इज अ स्पेसिफिक मुद्रा ऑफ योगा वेयर योर eyeballs are locked to the third eye or to the Sahasrara chakra, and you can see all the white portion, the corona, what is it called? Cornea? No, white portion जो आंखों का होता है, जो भी कहा जाता होगा, पूरा वो दिखता है, eyeball गायब हो जाता है। He sits with that angle and 10,000 लोगों को उन्होंने संजीवनी शक्ति दी। वो एक स्पेसिफिक मंत्र का उच्चारण करते हैं, ओम ह्रौं ह्रौं सः, ओम ह्रौं ह्रौं सः, ओम ह्रौं ह्रौं सः, ओम ह्रौं ह्रौं सः। संजीवनी संजीवनी संजीवनी, भगवान शिव शिवा की संजीवनी शक्ति मेरे दोनों नेत्रों और तृतीय नेत्र में प्रवाहित हो। शांभवी शांभवी शांभवी, भगवान शिव शिवा की शांभवी शक्ति मेरे तृतीय नेत्र से प्रवाहित होकर इन सभी बंदों को जो इस वक्त मेरे साथ इस सेशन में है, चाहे आप फिजिकली हो या आप इथरिक लेवल पे हो या आप ऑनलाइन सेशन से हो, वो सब उसमें इंक्लूड हो जाते हैं कि आप मेरे माध्यम से इन सब के ऊपर दिव्य ऊर्जा की वर्षा करो। Let them be drenched with the divine blessing of divine energy. संजीवनी संजीवनी संजीवनी। ओम नमः शिवाय। Well, my dear friends, it might look like he is taking the name of Shiva or Shakti. Means Hinduism is coming in. Some of you who might be very, very inert to this idea, I would recommend, don't get distracted to it. Don't get distracted to any ism, may it be Islam, may it be Jaina, may it be जो या विद्या सा विमुक्त है। खुले दिल से स्वागत करिए सबका। अभी ये जो नया दौर चला है, इसमें क्या हो रहा है कि हम लोग जैसे ही कृष्ण का या शिव का नाम लेते हैं, कुछ लोग होते हैं जो बोलते हैं कि साहब ये तो रिलीजियस हो गया। भूल जाइए, द सोर्स इज सेम, वेदर इट इज कमिंग थ्रू इस्लाम, मोहम्मद, महावीर, बुद्धा, कृष्णा, नानक, जरथुस्त्रा, it doesn't make any difference, my dear friends. I have a humble request to you. They are all the gateways. You are all aware of how internet functions. Internet functions where there are several gateways, and at a time several gateways open for you to strive for different packet serving so that you get a faster speed at your terminal. ठीक उसी तरह से हम भी एक इंटरनेट का नोड है, जहां अस्तित्व से, सोर्स से, परमात्मा से, जो आप कहना चाहे, या कॉस्मोस से डिवाइन एनर्जी बरसती है और कई रास्तों से बरसती है। किसी रास्ते को बंद मत करिए कि वो रास्ता तो बुद्ध का है या मोहम्मद का है या जीसस का है या कृष्ण का है या शिव का है। Let all the doors be open, respect them all, and you would be showered, flooded with the packets of divine energy from all 10 directions. Yes. तो शिवानंद जी के साथ काम करने का ये है कि वो थोड़ा ट्रेडिशनल लगता है, बट डोंट गेट अवर्टेड टू इट। इट्स ए वंडरफुल मास्टर, बहुत प्यारे मास्टर है, बहुत अच्छे से जिंदगी को एम्पावर करते हैं। फिर एक दिन आता है, वो कहते हैं, जो मैंने रियलाइज भी किया है, कि ये शक्ति की साधना है, जहां आप शक्ति का उपयोग अपने जीवन को सक्सेसफुल बनाने के लिए करते हो, अपने जॉब के लिए, अपने हेल्थ के लिए, रिलेशनशिप के लिए, ठीक उसी तरह जैसे रेकी का उपयोग करते हैं, जिसके बारे में नीना दीदी अभी आपसे कह रही थी, मिसेस नीना खन्ना कह रही थी, मेरे ब्लड रिश्ते में वो कुछ भी नहीं है, लेकिन ईथरिक रिश्ते में वो बहुत कुछ है। तो वो जो कह रही थी कि वो रेकी में वो शक्ति है। शिवानंद जी जो सिखाते हैं वो थोड़ा सा ट्रेडिशनल है, थोड़ा सा हिंदुइज्म से झुकावा लगता है, रेकी थोड़ा यूनिवर्सल है। तो दैट इज योर चॉइस, यू कैन चूज योर गेटवे फ्रॉम वेयर यू आर गेटिंग कनेक्टेड, राइट फ्रेंड्स। तो अगला नेचुरली हम लोग आ गए रेकी पर। रेकी इज, रे इज की, रे इज यूनिवर्सल एंड की is divine energy. So that divine energy, which is universal, which is not bound to any cult or religion, it is called Reiki. And this term is coined by Dr. Mikao Usui, who was a Christian theologist from Japan. There's a beautiful story. He was a professor of theology in a Christian university in Kyoto, and he was teaching Jesus to his audience, to his elevated audience like you all. And he said कि Jesus has created miraculous healing through touch, through sankalpa. He has done it. And one of the students, like Richa, who is in the group of those students who asks intelligent questions, like Richa, the student asked कि you say that touch can heal, but you are an old man. How can we believe that? How can we believe that? Can you show it to us? And this person, who was an ideal professor, a wonderful professor, like my dear friend Dr. Manish Maheshwari or Dr. Sunita Dwivedi, who are wonderfully organizing this program, ideal professors with me, he became sensitive and he said, let me try. He had that scientific temperament. Let me find out, then I will get back to you. So Dr. Mikao Usui resigned his job from that Christian University of Kyoto and explored different ideologies, religions. He also came to India. In India, he found some knowledge. As they say, India is a mother of Jnana. He got Gautam Buddha's scripture, which is called Lotus Sutra, Vihangam Sutra. In that book, he has got the methodology using which healing by touch or by sankalpa could be done. He got it. There were mantra in that. There were methods in that. He got it, he tried, but he was not able to get the results. He went to Tibet, and Tibet is such a wonderful country. The only country which has a special presence in my heart for being 100% spiritual. They have no technology. They have nothing else other than spiritual heritage, especially Buddhist heritage. In Tibet, he got some Buddhist monk who told him, my dear friend, you have got the formula, but now you have to do some sadhana for making it alive. And he learned that Buddhist sadhana, which is called Vipassana. Anybody has heard of this sadhana, this term, Vipassana? Anybody knows the Indian master who has made Vipassana known throughout the world? Anyone?
Goenka ji, Mr.
Goenka ji, yes. Satyanarayan Goenka. Where is he situated? Which city? Igatpuri, near Mumbai. Yes. So he learnt Vipassana, Dr. Mikao Usui. He meditated and he went into that meditation for 21 days on one of the mountains. And there, Vipassana sadhana is done totally in silence. Total seclusion, no newspaper, no mobile, no phones, very light food, essential food, and sadhana. And I tell you my tribute to that son of Bharata, Sri Satyanarayan Goenka ji. I salute him for reviving this ancient Indian technique of Gautam the Buddha and rejuvenating, recharging, renewing it for the world over through his institution, which is called Vipassana Vishodhan Vinyas in Mumbai, near Mumbai, Igatpuri. So Dr. Mikao Usui did that 21 days sadhana, and it was the last day, 21st day, nothing happened to him. And he did a sankalpa He did a sankalpa. Sankalpa is very powerful. You have to really commit with yourself so that your 100% energy is put on the throne. तब जाके वो बात बनती है. Lukewarm कुछ नहीं हो पाता. जिंदगी में यदि कुछ वाकई पाना है तो भीतर से एक संकल्प करना होता है कि मैं अपना सर्वस्व लगा रहा हूं दांव पे. एक बार वो जंप लेनी पड़ती है. मैंने भी ली है, आपने भी ली होगी. तो ही डिड ए संकल्पा ऑन 21st डे कि ये 24 आवर्स मेरे जीवन के लास्ट दिन है, लास्ट आवर्स है. इफ आई डोंट गेट दैट पर्टिकुलर नॉलेज इन एक्शन, आई वुड किल माई सेल्फ. दैट इज द संकल्पा ही टुक, and God blessing showered. 21st evening, he was sitting in meditation, in Vipassana meditation, and suddenly a flash of lightning thunder came to him and entered in between the eyebrows, where there is a specific chakra that is called Agya chakra, that is called third eye chakra. And he got immersed into that deep meditation for the next 20 or 30 hours. He was into that state of divine connectivity, where he got that knowledge transferred how to experiment that healing technique, which was prescribed by Gautam the Buddha in his book Lotus Sutra. And that technique he evolved and gave that technique a name as Reiki. And it's a very, very scientific technique, I tell you, my dear friends. At the end of my discussion today, we have some time more left. I think we have 40 minutes still, yes. In fact, I wanted to finish this talk of introduction in 1 hour time, and I wanted you to have a glimpse, a touch of a practical meditation. So 10 minutes only for discussion, right? So Reiki is something which he evolved like a flow chart, like an algorithm. ऐसा ऐसा करिए, ये करिए, ये tools है, ये symbols है, ये मंत्र है, and he made it very, very teachable, very, very teachable. You would be surprised and amazed. In a span of 2 days' time, your hands start radiating that divine energy, which Shivananda Guruji had taught the world in the American program, in the Science Beyond Science, where after that healing session, he took the X-ray, he took the sonography, he took medical test, and 100% people had reported positive improvement in all medical parameters who were verified by pathological, medical, radiological tests. Very similar to that, if you want to have a glimpse of universal, you go to the Reiki master, and fortunately Reiki is something which has become immensely powerful all over the world, including Bharata. Just your next door or the next lane where you are living, you will find a Reiki master who can teach you. And it is something interesting. Reiki cannot only be learned from a book. It involves one very, very sacred process that is called attunement. Attunement, diksha, harmonization, where your energy receptors, what are your energy receptors? भारतीय योग में इनको चक्र कहते हैं. वो चक्रों को, those chakras are harmonized to the cosmic frequency, and you start receiving more energy through those chakra, and it becomes available to you to receive more, amplify, and transfer through your hands touch to anybody who requests for it. And for 100% guarantee I can give you, in 2 days' time, you would realize that learning. If you want to learn fastest, then Reiki is the bestest. All other items which I said, they would take some more time. But Reiki healing, spare your 2 days. and you would be empowered predominantly with guarantee. Otherwise, the teacher will repay back, refund you your amount multiplied by 2. How is the offer? Are you excited? Write me excited in your window if you are excited with this Jnana. No one excited yet? Yes, Kalyani, Anurag. Yes, Sri Rangam, Nandan. Thank you very much. I am equally excited, my dear friends. You are getting something if you count it 1, because I am the one who is sharing it with you. I am getting it 100-fold multiplied because you are 100 in number. How is the deal, my dear friends? How is the deal? Siddharth Shekhar says yes. How is the deal? If you are getting 1, I am getting an echo of 100-fold multiplied because you are 100 in number. So hats off to you. Thank you to you. I am equally excited. Reiki we were talking of. It is something which can be done wonderfully if taught in person, definitely, because that process is intensified. But there are stalwarts, there are masters, teachers. One is there with you, Meena Didi, who is presently in Australia. She can teach even online. She has dedicated her life to this divine art, and she can offer that teaching to you online as well. Normally, she charges a feeble amount, maybe 2,000 or 3,000 rupees for that 2-day session, which involves some expenditure of some study material and so on. But I can definitely request, because she is my elder sister, to offer you all almost free. Are you ready, Neena ji?
जी बिल्कुल, ये मेरा सौभाग्य होगा कि मैं किसी को कुछ दे पाऊं.
दीदी, आपको एक पैसा फीस नहीं देने वाले हम लोग.
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल मंजूर है.
रेडी?
मुझे बहुत कुछ मिलने वाला है रिटर्न में.
क्या बात है. If you are excited, just write a thanks to Neena ji. Don't be miser for saying thanks. It in fact replies you a lot. Sheetal says yes. Mishra, yes. Thank you, Swati. The first thanks goes to you. Dr. Sunita ji is saying thanks, and he is a wonderful coordinator. I can see it. She is coordinating this whole program. So now, you all, my dear 100 friends, shall we make a deal? Ki Neena ji will teach and Sunita ji will coordinate, so that it happens without hing lage na fitkadi. We don't have to spend anything. We are all gainers. Is it okay? Yes, Mohan is waving hands. Yes, Sajal Chakravarti. Where from you are, Sajal?
I am from Indore, sir.
You are Indore. You are teaching somewhere?
Yes, sir. I am Makhanlal Chaturvedi already.
Achha, you are in Makhanlal Chaturvedi. You have studied or teaching?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Mr. Thomas, you are thinking like Albert Einstein, like showing so serious face. Please speak out, Mr. Thomas. Switch on your mic, please. There is a statue, that Rhodo statue, he is thinking like this very seriously, as if the entire burden of whole world is on his shoulders. Mr. Thomas looking like that. Sorry. Not able to switch on. चलिए थॉमस साहब, फिर बात करेंगे आपसे. Have you started? Not yet. You can write on the chat box, Thomas, Mr. Thomas. Write down in the chat box. Are you enjoying? Yes, that's wonderful. I think you are logged by some different name. Okay, fine. Right, coming back. Our 1 hour is almost over, is it? We started what time? 10:30, 11. I don't know, it's all complete time is gone. Oh my God. It's 12. Am I right? We have only 5 minutes left. Komal says, sir, I do Shiv Yoga meditation. It is also very effective. Komal, can you switch on your mic and share us about Shiv Yoga? We are okay. We will take it some other time. Only 5 minutes left. And you all know Dr. Sunita ji is very, very particular about time and about discipline. So let us not give her a tough time. And let's finish and wind up in 5 minutes.
Hello.
Yes, Komal, please go on.
Sir, it is a Sahaj Yoga meditation.
You said Sahaj Yoga meditation?
Yes, sir.
Nirmala Devi's meditation you are talking about?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
That is a wonderful group. Nirmala Devi is a wonderful group, and I am immensely happy to hear about her because she is my guru. She has been a disciple of Osho. When I was a disciple of Osho, she has been with me in that congregation of 10,000 Buddhas in Pune Ashram a couple of times. So 2 minutes for Komal to share about Sahaj Yoga.
सर सहज योगा मेडिटेशन एकदम फ्री ऑफ कॉस्ट मेडिटेशन है और जिसमें कुछ स्टेप्स होती हैं जो हमें करनी होती है जिसके थ्रू हम बहुत अच्छा फील करते हैं, एकदम प्रेजेंट में रहते हैं क्योंकि आजकल जैसा टाइम चल रहा है।
कैसा लगता है जब सहज योग करते हैं तो आपको कैसा लगता है? कोमल जी, हम चाहेंगे
बहुत अच्छा फील होता है क्योंकि जो इस टाइम का टाइम चल रहा है कोरोना का, वैसे इंसान बहुत ज्यादा टेंशन में रहता है।
इन 4 दिनों में आप रिक्वेस्ट करिएगा कोऑर्डिनेटर्स को कि हमको शाम को या सुबह 1 घंटे का या 1.5 घंटे का समय दीजिए। और अब आप 3 लोग हो गए कुछ शेयर करने के लिए। श्याम भैया है जो कि हमको ऑरा फोटोग्राफी के बारे में बताएंगे, रिचा है वो हमको कुछ बताएंगी, और अब कोमल दीदी है जो हमको सहज योग करवाएगी। तो इट्स अप टू यू गाइस टू ऑर्गेनाइज अ स्पेशल सेशन। इन केस किसी दिन ऐसा होता है कि कोई गेस्ट फैकल्टी नहीं आ पाती है तो डेफिनेटली दैट टाइम विल बी देयर, बट लेट अस नॉट लुक फॉर दैट एब्सेंस, लेट अस क्रिएट फॉर अस। अगर आप मुझसे कुछ सुनना चाहते हैं तो आप वो भी रिक्वेस्ट कर सकते हैं ऑर्गेनाइजर्स के। डॉक्टर सुनीता जी इज अ वेरी काइंड पर्सन, उनसे आप रिक्वेस्ट करिए, हम लोग सेशन ऑर्गेनाइज करेंगे। वैसे भी 1.5 घंटा हमारा हो चुका है और हम लोग अभी तक के रिसर्च का जो हमारा पहला जो पार्ट होता है, कोमल आपको माइक बंद कर लीजिए प्लीज। तो पहला जो लिटरेचर सर्वे का जो हमारा एस्पेक्ट होता है हम लोग उसी पर है। और आप सब साइंटिस्ट हैं, आप जानते हैं कि जितना ज्यादा लिटरेचर सर्वे आप कर लेंगे आपका रिसर्च उतना ज्यादा आसान हो जाएगा। यू एग्री विथ मी? प्लीज गिव मी अ 1। द मोर लिटरेचर सर्वे यू डू, PC Thomas, thank you very much for being the first to respond with me. And can I have a little smile with you, Mr. Thomas? ये बात क्या बात है, wonderful. तो हमारा लिटरेचर सर्वे का थोड़ा एक्सटेंड हो गया। I had planned it for 1 hour and I wanted to give you the real test of a spiritual healing session for your own self for half an hour. I am really asking an apology from you all guys. I forgot the time. I had actually asked Alok कि 1 घंटा होगा तो मुझे बता देना, but this poor fellow is so busy. He went again to the lab for. I had requested him कि भाई साहब यहीं बैठिए आप और 1 घंटा हो तो मुझे थोड़ा संदेश कर देना, but he is again vanished. Of course, I am not putting blame on him. I am responsible and I ask for an apology. Please forgive me. I couldn't complete that half an hour. हम लोग को जिंदगी में फिर कभी मौका मिलेगा। इन 4 दिनों में मिले तो और अच्छा, और न मिले तो जिंदगी बहुत प्यारी है, बहुत लंबी है। मैं न मिलूं तो आपको अस्तित्व कोई और बेहतर मास्टर प्रदान करेगा। तिब्बत में कहानी है, कहावत है, When the disciple is ready, the master appears. मेरे जीवन इस स्टेटमेंट का जागृत प्रूफ है। Whenever I have asked something, some master has appeared on his own and given me that jnana, that empowerment, that blessing. I share that with you all. Before I finish, I would like to put my tribute on to one very unknown master of Bharata. I even don't know his name. Again, with my family trip, thanks to Central Government of India for giving LTC, we were in Srinagar for about 10 days. And I was very eager to meet some Sufi saint. You must have heard of Sufi saint. Sufism is a wonderful way of living. Me and Amrita ji, my better half, my spirit soulmate, now she is my spirit guide. I'm blessed for her to be my spouse. She and me, we had requested for a Sufi master to be seen, because Srinagar is a land where Sufism is in its peak. 9 days passed and we couldn't meet a Sufi master. 10th day, we have packed up and we have to leave for airport. We have checked out the room, paid the amount, taxi has come. It is so touching my heart, and through my eyes, it is going to touch you, my dear friends. हम लोग का पैकिंग तैयार है, तन्मय तैयार है, चिन्मय तैयार है, हमारे दिल भरे हुए हैं और हम लोग निकलने वाले हैं कि काउंटर से फोन आता है, सर कोई आया है जो कह रहा है बुलाया गया है. आपने किसी को बुलाया था क्या? We went down, and to our astonishment, my dear friends, there was a Sufi master there. A Sufi master with that loban and a very beautiful instrument. I even don't know the name of that string instrument, which is a little smaller than sarod, a little bigger than mandolin. He had that alguja or something they call it. He was having it, and he just looked and gazed at me. And something transpired amongst us. And he said, आदेश हुआ है. और हम लोग, आप विश्वास करिए please, we are talking from the core of heart. All the four of us just sat down on the floor there. मैट बिछी हुई थी, काउंटर था, हम लोग बैठ गए, वो भी बैठ गए और उन्होंने अपने अलगुजे पे एक सूफी गीत गाया. आंखें खोली तो आंखें भीग रही थी, बरस रही थी, वर्षा हो रही थी, हृदय भरा हुआ था कश्मीर की सुंदरता से, खूबसूरती से. बड़े प्यारे लोग हैं और हमारी वो जन्नत की सैर थी. और हमको अस्तित्व ने कंफर्मेशन दिया कि हमारी पुकार सुनी गई और वो आया. End of the almost we had to leave for the airport, and see, the flight was delayed by 2 hours. My God, I am still having energy flow in all my body. I love myself. I can still feel that energy. Flight was delayed by 2 hours. We all sat there for almost 2 hours, more than that in fact. And we didn't talk much. He said something in Kashmiri language. He was not Hindi speaking. He told his name, but we forgot. He was not having a mobile phone. But he connected to us to the source of Sufism. And for guarantee, I tell you, it is the same source which is channeled through Krishna, through Muhammad, through Buddha, through Zarathustra. Same source, just a different gateway. We are all one. We are all miraculously connected to that most wonderful source. It was a proof, it was a seal of verification. That day, the Sufi master arrived. He had got a message. Nobody phoned him, nobody told him. And the hotel wala boy told us, he never comes. They never go anywhere. They are hidden. You can't find the real Sufi master. They are not in the world. They are very hidden. And he comes on his own and says, आदेश हुआ है. Amazing. At times I give a call to that hotel wala, request him, to connect that man, but he couldn't find him. A couple of years, he was vanished. Oh, my dear friends, yes, the cosmos is one. Humanity, some vested interests have created walls of religions, nations, castes, creed, but forget them. Allow them to be dissolved. The Great Wall of China must be dissolved and demolished. The East Korea, South Korea must be united. The Bharat and Pakistan must become one. We have that vision. We have that longing. Then only we can be a complete man. And who else in the world other than you and me, other white Bharat, can give this jnana to the world? Yesterday, Anilji Sahasrabudhe was talking in his concluding. He was saying Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam, a wonderful culture. He was narrating and he was giving a guide map for this particular workshop to get connected to that cosmic entity, the divine source of life, energy, being, connectivity. Though I couldn't give you a half-an-hour session, please extend me 3 minutes with the permission of Dr. Sunita ji. And I would like you all to just close your eyes. Just 3 minutes. Please give me 3 minutes. We are all connected like a World Wide Web. All our computers are connected through visible or invisible media, wireless, Wi-Fi, Ethernet, optical cable, or our thought waves, or our feelings and emotions. We are all connected. And we are a network, and the source is somewhere above your and my head. Like the sun shower is shining in the sky, that source is sending that ray of light as the divine, loving energy. We own it because we are children. That nature, Nisarg, this cosmos is our mother. Mother is showering her love on us. Please open your heart. Please open your hands. Please open your mind. Let all the barriers fall down. And yes, I can see you are doing it well. You are well connected. You are receiving that divine energy. There is actually no need to give any name to that energy. May it be Reiki. May it be Shambhavi. May it be Sanjivani. May it be the ray of light which Jesus had given. May it be the blessing that Muhammad had heard on that Tur Parvat. It is the same. Feel connected. Your feeling will amplify it and allow that energy to spread in your aura around your body, giving you total protection, enhancement, immunity, joy, happiness, brotherlyhood, unconditional love, success, prosperity. Be open to all. My tribute to all the masters which I touched with my 100 friends together today. I thank them all through you and through myself, through my Chaitanya Sangha, which is always there with me. For any odd hour to join me in any congregation. And you all 100 guys today who have become a part of my family today, I offer my thanks of heart, my gratefulness, my pranam to you. Please open your eyes and accept my greetings. Namaskar.